Good evening and welcome to the news. Before we begin, let's take a look at the headlines. PM Modi gives clarion call to create global water action agenda and ban single-use plastic. Union Home Minister and BJP President Amit Shah chairs the 4th conclave of NEDA in Guwahati. Meghalaya Legislative Assembly discusses interstate boundary dispute with Assam. And extensive damage was caused due to the recent floods in different districts of the state, says Minister in charge of Revenue and Disaster Management KYRMEN SHYLLA. The news in details. India will raise target of restoring land with degraded status from 21 million hectares to 26 million by 2030. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said this while addressing the 14th Conference of Parties COP14 of the UN Convention to Combat Desertification UNCCD in Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh today. Modi also said augmenting water supply, enhancing water recharge and retaining moisture in the soil are all parts of a holistic land and water strategy. India is hosting global gathering and for COP14 in Greater Noida, which started on 2nd of this month.
Augmenting water supply, enhancing water recharge, slowing down water runoff, and retaining moisture in the soil are all parts of a holistic land and water strategy. I call upon the leadership of UNCCD to create a global water action agenda which is central to the land degradation neutrality strategy.
Union Home Minister and BJP President Amit Shah said that North-East Democratic Alliance NEDA was set up to take NDA to the grassroots level. Addressing the 4th conclave of the alliance in Guwahati, he said that the entire North-East has become free from the Congress. He said that Congress rule in North-East didn't do any development works. He said that the Congress party has made the problems in North-East more complicated for their personal benefits. Union Minister for North-East Dr. Tijendra Singh hoped that the North-East would be the most visible part of the India. While addressing the conclave Meghalaya, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma urged all North-East states to come together to raise concerns of the region for the common good of the people. He said under NEDA, we should treat all partners as equal and work for the overall interest and growth of North-East.
कि हमारे अलग अलग नॉर्थ ईस्ट के स्टेट्सों का जो अलग अलग स्टेट्स है जैसे मेघालय है, मणिपुर है, अरुणाचल है, मिजोरम, त्रिपुरा, बाकी सब नागालैंड, सिक्किम, सभी स्टेटों का एक इसमें इशू है। हम लोग को डर है सर, हमें डर है कि कहीं इलीगल इमिग्रेंट्स हमारे स्टेट में ना आ जाए।
Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong today informed the House that 56 incidents took place in the past 3 years from 2017 due to the interstate border dispute with Assam. Replying to a query raised by a member from the opposition Congress George P. Lingdo during question hour, Mr. Tinsong said in West Khasi Hills district 20 such incidents took place. Ribhoi 21, West Khasi Hills 14 and West Garo Hills district 1 such incident took place over the past 3 years. Further, a Chief Secretary level meeting was also held on 21st June 2019 to discuss border-related issues and standard operating procedures for lines of communication, Tinsong said.
Due to interstate border dispute, district-wise cases are given as below. West Chanka Hills 2017-18 4, 18-19 6, 19-20 10. Ribhoi 17-18 9, 18-19 4 and 19-20 8. West Garo Hills 17-18 0, 18-19 1, 19-20 0. The respective deputy commissioners and superintendents of police immediately took up the issues with their respective counterparts in Assam to defuse the problem. The Chief Secretary level meeting was also held on 21st/6/2019 to discuss border issues and standard operating procedures for lines of communication were mutually agreed upon, sir.
The Minister in charge of Revenue and Disaster Management, SHYLLA, informed the House during question hour that extensive damage was caused due to the recent floods in different districts of the state. Replying to a question raised by a member from the opposition Congress, Himalaya M. Champliang, Mr. SHYLLA said the maximum damage was caused in West Garo Hills district, in which 27,585 households were affected and 3,505 hectares of agricultural land was also affected. The second most affected district was Southwest Garo Hills district, in which 6,072 households were affected. Moreover, 909 hectares of agricultural land was also affected. In East Khasi Hills, 1,703 households were affected by the flood, the minister informed the House. Meanwhile, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong informed the House that the government is coming up with a policy to auction the extracted coal in the state as per the direction of the Supreme Court.
The extent of damages caused to household, cattle and cultivation due to the recent floods district-wise are given as below. In West Garo Hills, Tura, 27,585 households affected, cultivation 3,505 hectares. Southwest Garo Hills, Ampati, 6,072 households affected, 161 number of house damage, cultivation 909 hectares.
Ribhoi College Alumni Association today organized a food festival. Ribhoi Deputy Commissioner R.M. Kurba was present on the occasion. Speaking at the program, she lauded the efforts of the Alumni Association for organizing the food festival. Many local and mouth-watering delicacies were prepared by the students in the festival, and few cultural programs were also present by the alumni members on the occasion.
You have achieved and you have made a difference in the life of thousands of students. As rightly said by one of your alumni, that it has seen the light of day, and we would like to see further that you go higher and higher. We on this day recognize those individuals who have put their mind and body and soul into setting up this institution.
Rafael Nadal has won US Open men's singles, beating Daniil Medvedev in a 5-set epic with a thrilling 7-5, 6-3, 5-7, 4-6, 6-4 this morning. This is his 4th US Open title and 19th Grand Slam trophy. His win did not come easily, even though Nadal took the first 2 sets and was ahead by a break at 2-3 in the third. Russia's Medvedev came back by shifting styles and breaking Nadal in the last game of each of the next 2 sets to force a 5th. And now a look at the temperature report. Maximum temperature recorded was 25.3 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature recorded was 17.9 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 89%, while in the evening it rose to 96%. 0.7 millimeter rainfall was recorded. Forecast: Shillong and its adjoining areas will have partly cloudy sky. Before you wind up, here are the headlines once again. PM Modi gives clarion call to create global water action agenda and ban single-use plastic. Union Home Minister and BJP President Amit Shah chairs the 4th conclave of NEDA in Guwahati. Meghalaya Legislative Assembly discusses interstate boundary dispute with Assam. And extensive damage was caused due to the recent floods in different districts of the state, says Minister in charge of Revenue and Disaster Management, KYRMEN, SHYLLA. That's all we have for you today. Until we meet you tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Thank you for watching and good night.